So yeah, I'm going to pop up the Synack platform here and actually walk through what it looks like creating a Sara Pentest in the platform. We start here at the asset level here, and we have a discovery capability built into the Synack platform here. So what you can do is create a seed group. Typically, I show people that you can discover some assets here by giving a seed group name. You can define access, enter a seed, and you can run discovery just like this. That gives you a asset list, which is populated with the assets that we discover in the platform. So we've made an effort to make asset management in the Synack platform very easy and also powerful, so that as you do activity in the platform, as you do things like import vulns from a source like Tenable or Qualys, and you do lots of testing activity, you can quickly sort by things that have the most suspected vulns or things that were most recently tested, or you can sort by things that were recently tested or things that haven't been tested in a long time. So for this demo, I'm just going to grab the acme.com asset that I created and do create test. And here we have a pretty self-explanatory menu of the testing options we have. We have our core human-driven open vulnerability discovery engagements here below, like our 14-day pen test or our crown jewel offering, the Synack 365 year-round pen test. At the top of it for this demo, I'll select the Synack autonomous red agent, Sara Pentest here. So you can select that, continue on. And then you provide some simple information about what the group of assets is to you. So maybe this is your main customer-facing retail website. Give us information about it, articulate the scope. You can add tags to it. You can add an owner to it so that we know who to contact about the test. Different things like that over the years of pen testing through the Synack platform, we've identified are useful for test management and test creation. Give the test a name. So maybe this is your monthly or quarterly compliance test. Again, specify information about the scope, enter the start date you want, outage windows when you want the testing to pause, more information about people who should receive a notification when the testing begins via email, or you can add them to the platform. We have here a pretty cool feature, a asset reachability scan powered by AI to tell you whether or not we can see your assets properly from the Synack platform and kind of give you an idea of the access across the maybe 250 hosts you provided, how many of them are actually up and responding. Pretty useful tool for people as they schedule their own tests. And then you can go ahead and submit it. And it's as simple as that. After it's submitted, the Sara Pentest will go live, and you can go into that group of assets. In this example, the Acme web assets, and maybe you have many tests here. Maybe you have it adjacent to some of the open vulnerability discovery pen test with humans. But the Sara Pentest will be there. It'll be marked as completed after the test is finished, and you'll have a viewable report here. And it results in a nice viewable report here that contains an executive summary that details about when the test was performed, the scope over which it was performed, and of course, any vulnerabilities that Sara found during the pen test.